Hello, guys. Welcome back to Fix Your Apps, where we make tech simple for everyone. Today, we're diving into how to activate the Earn Badges mode on YouTube. If you find our tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more straightforward tech guides. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the YouTube app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. This ensures that the changes you make will apply to the right profile. Step 2. Next, click on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This icon will take you to your account menu. Step 3. In the menu, look for the Settings option. You will find it at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. In the Settings menu, until you find the General option. Click on it to access more settings related to your account and app usage. Step 5. Next, scroll down the General settings until you find the Earn Badges option. By default, this option is disabled. Step 6. Finally, tap on the toggle switch to turn on the Earn Badges option. Once enabled, you'll start earning badges for various activities within the app. And that's it. You've successfully activated the Earn Badges mode on YouTube. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.